Just going to draw this pan feeder. A fairly simple part, except for it's got a pretty tight inside radius. And I've already put in the product properties, you know, 1/2 inch, that kind of thing. But this is my inside dimensions off the print from what I understood. Now my leg, from what I could tell, was, you know, 3 1/8, 3.125. I like to get the basic shape of the part, go back and change the radiuses. Now this angle here, when we're forming with the press brake, we'd like to know, you know, we're subtracting angle, so we start from 180 and then subtract angle. You know, and everybody's saying, well, I need 45, but it's really 135, if that makes sense, because we're not starting from 0, we're starting from 180. Because again, when we're forming, we're subtracting angle. Now tooling set up, because of it defaulted to a width because of what I set the default up. I moved my dies in just because I checked it, but I drew a 3 1/4 inch V die, which is not a standard V die. Kind of off the shelf, it's not standard, but we can build any V die. But that 3 1/4 will give you your 1/2 inch inside radius, which is material thickness radius, which is pretty tight radius for that material. But maybe it's what you need. So if I bend, it's fairly simple. Part, I mean, I can see collisions and whatever tooling I've formed. I just form. I could change my bend sequence where I formed one and slid out and formed the other one. But I didn't want to. I'm rotating the part here, but I could change that easily. Let's say that was my part I wanted, and I computed it. It'd give my blank at 10.55, and now that's this width. And you say, that don't sound right. Well, it depends, you know, I'm just the way I interpreted your print, you know, inside radius or inside dimension or outside dimension, that kind of thing. Sometimes they'll program middle dimension to outside, and you have to do the tangent, which you can do, but I just programmed it outside. That's what I did. But anyhow, pretty simple. See the outer dimensions, 1/2 inch pan feeder, but this is I'm just using the simple offline software that comes with the control, or with the machine. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions.